Right, appeals to nature cannot be fallacies. Why? Everything that's natural, meaning everything that nature provides us, is always healthy, always leads to health in its inhabitants. And thus, it always leads to happiness of its inhabitants. On the other hand, our civilian lives are so unnatural in a way that doesn't mimic nature, that leads to disease and eventually very severe unhappiness. The only way to sort of live naturally, meaning for example to have a house, to have some clothes, is when they do mimic nature, fur, rock shelter, following the principles of harmony that we can observe in a natural environment. Thanks for watching.